Hey, it's Ryan with Absolute Mortgage.
And Lawton with Hometown Advisor Real Estate. When discussing appreciation, it's also important to understand how you could leverage the equity you've built to your benefit. Here are a couple ways people use appreciation to their advantage. The first is selling a home. As people pay down their mortgage each month, the property value grows from appreciation. The difference between what you owe and what the property is worth is your equity.
After paying the cost of selling and the remaining mortgage balance, all proceeds from the sale of your home are yours to keep. People often buy a bigger second home, and the reason they can do so is from realizing the equity of their first purchase. The second way to take advantage of your equity is with a cash-out refi. If your property has appreciated and you don't want to sell, you can access the equity you've built with a cash-out refinance, allowing you to pull equity from your home to use for anything you want. A common reason for cash-out refis is to make home improvements. Improvements may increase the appreciation rate even more by increasing the property value. Another common reason people pull equity from their homes may be to create a down payment for an additional property without selling what they have. If you have two properties and both are appreciating, your net worth is growing even faster.
At this point, you can become the landlord, and the tenants paying rent will be paying your mortgage for the property. Real Estate Investing 101.
Please don't hesitate to reach out to one of us today. We'd love to connect with you and begin planning for your future.
Have a great day.
Let's make you the landlord.